Hello, welcome to AppsRadio Live. In this video, you can learn about how to configure URL signing. AppsRadio Live can apply URL signing to your business to provide a more secure and reliable method that protects your live streaming resources. When you add a domain name, AppsRadio Live enables URL signing for the domain name by default. This video mainly discusses how to modify the URL signing settings. First, log on to the AppsRadio Live console. In the left side navigation pane, click Domains, select the domain name that you want to configure, and click Domain Settings in the Actions column. On the page that appears, click Access Control. On the URL Authentication tab, click Change Settings. In the dialog box, you can configure the primary key and secondary key. AppsRadio Live generates a primary key for you by default. You can also enter a custom primary key. The secondary key is a backup key, which is optional. Then, specify the validity period. The validity period is the period of time for which a signed URL for stream ingest or playback remains valid. Both stream ingest and playback use persistent connections. Ongoing stream ingest or playback requests initiated within the validity period will not be terminated when the validity period ends. However, new stream ingest or playback requests cannot be initiated after the validity period ends. In this example, we set the validity period to 30 minutes. Simply put, a streamer or viewer who has been using a signed URL to ingest or watch a stream can continue to ingest or watch the stream after 30 minutes since the signed URL is generated, as long as the streamer or viewer does not disconnect the stream. However, the streamer or viewer cannot use the signed URL to re-ingest or re-watch the stream because the signed URL has expired. At last, click OK to complete the configuration. From now on, when an ingest or streaming URL is generated, an access token that is calculated based on the parameters such as the validity period is placed at the end of the ingest or streaming URL. We will discuss how to generate ingest and streaming URLs in another video.